Beneath the floor of the Mediterranean Sea lies a layer of salt more than a kilometer thick. Salt like that doesn't just happen. It's a corpse, the corpse of the sea itself. 6 million years ago, the ground at Gibraltar rose and quietly closed the door to the Atlantic. That door was everything. The Mediterranean loses more water to the sun than all its rivers can replace. So with the door shut, the sea began to disappear. Century after century, the water fell, and what it left behind was a desert unlike anything on Earth today. A blinding plain of salt, a mile below sea level. Hotter than Death Valley, silent. Almost nothing survived down there. How do we know any of this? Because in 1970, a drilling ship pulled up the proof. Core after core, from deep beneath the seabed, not mud, pure gleaming salt. An entire Dead Sea filed away under the living one. And then, 5.3 million years ago, the Atlantic found a crack. It started as a trickle over the Gibraltar Ridge. But water cuts. The trickle carved a channel. The channel became a ramp. And then the ocean simply let go. Scientists' best models say the flow reached 100 million cubic meters every single second. That's 1,000 Amazon rivers, pouring through one gap. Inside the basin, the sea rose 10 meters a day. Not a wall of water, a rising tide that never stopped, drowning a desert the size of a continent's edge. Most of the refill took months, maybe 2 years, start to finish. An entire sea, the one on every map, every postcard, born in less time than it takes to build a house. So next time you stand on a Mediterranean beach, look at the waves. The salt below is the scar. The sea itself is the flood that never ended. And once that sea was full, how deep can an ocean really go? That story is right here,